Elizabeth Muller, and today I'm going to teach you how to make Cuban black bean soup. We've chopped up our onions and our peppers and stuff, and of course over here we have the beans that have been boiling on high heat for a while. Just letting you see what it looks like right now. Still thick, still not open, those beans, but the water looks nice and dark. And now I'm going to show you the food processor option that I do. I take my peppers, 2 big peppers like this, 2 halves, and I just make it real fast. I've washed them before. I take pieces of it and just place it in here in pieces, cutting them up. Process, you don't have to, put in, chop it up. The whole idea of a food processor does it for you. Just chops it up for you, see? Just cut it up, put it in there. I'm going to take my onion, the onion that I need, a whole onion.